Try Creations Group, and today it's our third video. So today we are going to make a blowpipe. So the objects needed to make the blowpipe are a PVC pipe of any length, which can be a PVC pipe or an aluminium pipe, a piece of paper, an ordinary glue stick, and a pair of scissors. We have cut a circular cutout for the dartboard with the help of the rounder. Then take the piece of paper and mark a square with the help of a scale and pencil. Then cut the markings you have made. Fold the cutout in a conical shape and stick it with a glue stick. Then take the conical shape you have made and plunge it into the pipe. And cut the part which comes out of the pipe. And your dart is done. Then mark the center of the cutout, and from the center mark different circles for different points, and you can decorate it. Put on the glitter glue on top of the conical shape we have made. It will something look like this. So now we are ready to test our blowpipe. Put the conical shape inside the pipe and just blow into it. The reason why we put the glitter glue on top of the conical shape is that when the conical shape hits the dartboard, we can clearly see where it hit. As you can see, my last shot hit on 10 points. With a little bit of practice, you can easily master the blowpipe. Also, if you like our video, press the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and click that little bell for notifications. Peace out. Bye.